Hey everyone! Renata from Crafty Renata here. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute dangle earrings. They're super easy to make. You'll need 2 earring hooks, 2 big jump rings, 10 small jump rings, 30 small circular beads in colors that go well together, and 2 jewelry pliers of your choice. If you can't find this type of circular beads, you can easily make them yourself. Let me show you how. You'll need some Fimo polymer clay, a piece of glass to work on, a clay roller, a blade, and a small shape cutter. You can use a fondant shape cutter or a regular object. I'm going to use part of an old lip brush because it's the perfect size and I can push the clay out of it. Before you can work with polymer clay, you have to soften it by kneading it for a while. Do this, then roll it into a ball and flatten the ball with your clay roller. Once you like the thickness of your clay, make your cutouts. If you have an even smaller cutout that can cut the middle part out, that's great. I don't, so I'm using a toothpick to create the opening in the middle. Make it big enough and flatten your ring just a little bit. Make all of your circular beads like this and bake in the oven following the instructions on the packaging. Arrange your beads in groups of 3 so that you know which colors you want to pair. Open one of the small jump rings, hold it with your pliers and add 3 beads to it. Place the bigger jump ring on it as well and carefully close the small jump ring well. Do the same thing and attach the small jump ring with the beads to the bigger jump ring next to the previous one. Keep repeating these steps until you have 5 small jump rings that each hold 3 circular beads on the bigger jump ring. Then open the earring hook, attach the big jump ring, and close well. Repeat the same steps to make the second earring. That's all there is to it. Easy, right? But so cute! If you enjoyed this tutorial, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!